Welcome to Geneva College. We're glad you're here with us today at this open house. And I'm sorry I can't be with you. I am at an open house, but it happens to be in Shanghai at the Geneva at Shanghai campus at Jeju International Education Park. But I know that you're in good hands, and I just wanted to spend a few minutes with you today to talk with you about a few basic questions that you might want to ask while you're here at the open house time today. The first question that's important to ask is what kind of Christian college is Geneva? You know we're a Christian college. If you look at the seal, you will see some clear signs that Geneva is a Christian college. First, our motto, Pro Christo et Patria. You should ask somebody here what that means. They can tell you. And you should also ask, why is the Holy Bible at the center of the seal? Because at Geneva, the seal is not just a historic emblem, as it is at some colleges. It's a living sign of who Geneva is and what we're trying to accomplish through education here today. A second question you probably want to ask is, what's the cost? What does it really cost to attend Geneva College? We know that it's private Christian education, and we know that it's not cheap to come to Geneva College. As you think about that, I want you to think about it in reference to the investment that you will make, how you will spend your life during the years you're at Geneva, and then what kind of dividends Geneva will pay over the rest of your lifetime. There's a great value in a Geneva education. And that value is not only in the degree that you would earn when you come, but in what you will become by attending Geneva College, the kind of values that will last you a lifetime. So you need to ask those questions. What's the cost? What's the investment? How will it help me spend my life well to have been at Geneva College as a student? A third question that I want you to think about with me for just a moment is, who will you learn from? And you need to find out and meet people on campus, both people who have been learning here from our faculty and faculty members in person. I have a tremendous amount of confidence in the quality of our faculty academically. And I also am confident in their care for students, not just interest in you personally, but also interest in your personal development and growth academically, personally, and spiritually. The last question that you may or may not be thinking to ask is, what does Geneva expect of me? And at Geneva, we have very high expectations for our students. What we want is for you to come to college and meet high expectations from faculty members, from coaches, from directors, from friends, and then to have the support that you need from the college to meet those expectations and to grow as a person and as a learner. We expect students who will come and work with us and make Geneva College a better place so that after you've been with us for a number of years, Geneva is a better and stronger place, not only because of the work that faculty and staff are doing, but because of the work that students do with us to make Geneva the best Geneva we can be. We can't do that without students who really want to be a part of what's happening at Geneva College, and we want you to seriously consider coming to work with us to make us a stronger institution, to strengthen and enhance our culture, and to make us the kind of place you most want Geneva College to be with us. So I hope that you have a great visit today. We're glad you're here. Make sure you sample the good food and the fun places that are here, but most of all, think about what Christ's calling on your life might be and how Geneva might fit into that.